What's up, guys? So day 3 working on the Cobra. So game plan for today. Did a load cell test on the battery. Battery was shot, so thinking alternator killed the battery, and that was kind of our issue. We got the top bolt out of the alternator, so I'm going to be pulling that out. And then my buddy Paul, big shout out to him, gave me his old Power Master alternator. So we're gonna throw that in and see if that guy works for us. And then I got another Dumptema battery.
So I swapped one Dumptema out for another Dumptema.
And yeah, then we also got some different battery terminals. We're gonna add a couple of grounds, so this will help get some nice good connections. And yeah, so that's pretty much the game plan. So we're gonna get that all installed and then redo these wires here, get this all put back together, and hopefully that fixes our problem. So, got the new alternator in there. Battery terminals are redone, and we're just gonna fire her up and see how it goes. Hey. Really?